Hi GI TV, Bobby X-Man Hildebrand here with RedWolf Tim, who's in the US to visit, well, basically see the sights in America. And we're out here at the world famous SC Village. We're gonna play some Hunger Games. Are you excited, Tim?
Yep, very excited.
A little nervous?
Not really.
Well played. Well, it's gonna be really crazy out there. We've got guns scattered all over the field. We're gonna have him on the live show later, but this should be very interesting. Do you say so, Tim?
Yes, incredibly interesting.
Yes.
Can't wait to shoot you.
As long as I don't get killed by my own axe. Anyway,
Yes.
Let's do it! Scene.
Alright guys. Hunger Games 2015. 3, 2, 1, go!
Nope, 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 nope! Oh. Oh.
Belt! Swiggity smoothie! I'm coming for that booty!
Oh! I think you got me. I think you got me.
Is that right?
Yeah. Ha ha ha!
Swiggity smoothie! I'm coming for that booty!
Nice, Bill. Nice.
Tim's the winner!
Well done, Tim. Very well done.
Oh man, I wanted that axe. I saw you hold it as well. It's here, it's here.
Hunger Games 2015. RedWolf Edition. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
Ah, hit!
Oh, hit! Good job, Bob. You got me too. Nice job. Well played. Thanks, Bob.
You two were the last two.
Oh, we shot each other. Double Bob Day!
We did it, Bob. We did it. Good job, Bob.
Well played.
All right.
Hunger Games 2015. And 3, 2, 1, go!
What the hell is this?
Oh man. This is not good.
Good job, Bill.
As Admiral Akbar would say, it's a trap! This way. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Woo! That's the bill. It's a Tuscan Raider.